Welcome back, nail queens. Today I want to show you how to apply a gel top coat on top of dip powder nails. So say you're tired of using dip powder top coat and you just want to make the easiest process possible to have a glossy nail, use a gel top coat. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that your nails are activated, file shaped, and buffed. You have to be past the file shaped and buff point in order to do this. So I don't know if you know, but gel doesn't like slick surfaces. So if you've used gel top coat before and experienced peeling, you probably had a smooth, slick surface or you didn't cap the edges. So the best way to help mitigate peeling is to rough up the surface of the dip. Mind you, I'm not filing off the dip powder. I'm just gently roughing it up to make the surface kind of scratchy so that the gel top coat has something to grip to. Now that you've done that filing, you have all this nail dust on your nails, right? Well, you have to get rid of it before you apply your gel top coat. So I'm taking rubbing alcohol and I'm cleaning off my nails to get rid of any dust and then make sure my nails have no oils on them. Now you can totally go ahead and apply your gel top coat at this moment, but I'm going to show you two things that you can do to help ensure that you don't have peeling or chipping of your gel top coat. Young Nails makes a thing called protein bond, and this is like double-sided tape, and it helps so much in helping ensure that gel products do not lift or peel off of your nails. So if you've done the whole scratching up the surface and you still experience peeling, try using Young Nails Protein Bond on top of the dip after you rough it up because it's really going to help the gel really grab onto it and stick to it. Now let the protein bond soak in and air dry. It's still going to be sticky, but you want it to turn kind of matte. And the next thing you can do is apply gel base coat over this, and that also helps ensure that the gel top coat doesn't lift. Like I said earlier, you can absolutely rough up the surface and then go straight to your gel top coat, skipping these two steps. I'm only including them because I know some people still struggle where the dip powder is too smooth and the gel top coat doesn't want to stick to it. So I'm including these two steps to ensure that you guys have all of the tips and tricks that you need to ensure that your gel top coat stays extremely shiny and doesn't chip or peel. Once your gel base is done curing, you can go in with your gel top coat. Now, the technique you use to apply your gel top coat is absolutely important. Not only do you want to apply an even layer to your entire nail, but it's very important that you cap the free edge right here. So it's very easy for your gel top coat to chip and peel if that free edge is not capped with gel top coat. So make sure that any free extending edges are capped with gel top coat before you put it in your nail lamp. This is absolutely going to help ensure that your gel polish doesn't chip or peel. Use that same technique to apply a gel top coat to all of your nails. Remember, it's very important to cap those free edges and sidewalls to ensure that there's no peeling or chipping. When you're done with this, then you want to cure this in your nail lamp for the amount of time that the brand recommends on the bottle. Mine is 60 seconds, so I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. And some gel top coats are actually tacky when you cure them, so they're not tack free. So if when you take your nails out of the nail lamp, the gel is still sticky, it's probably a tacky top coat, so you're going to have to use like rubbing alcohol to remove the slip layer. This one is a tack-free solution, so I don't have to remove any tacky layer. It dries nice and glossy and shiny and absolutely perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and see you in the next one. Bye!